The Maths Primary Teacher Presentation Kit offers a suite of easy-to-use material for interactive whiteboards or projectors to enhance front-of-class teaching. The enhanced digital version of the student book offers key interactive tools, making front-of-class teaching more effective and engaging. My Student icon allows you to create and assign select books to each class. Students can join the class by entering a specific code to access the assigned content. The Scores icon allows you to view the class average of select chapters or topics completed by each class. You can view the class average based on each attempt made by the class, checking their progression throughout the year. The scores are downloadable into a helpful Excel document. The Messages icon gives you the option to share scores, attach files such as videos, documents and images, or URL links to each of your classes. Each digital student book offers an easy-to-use navigation system. Simply click on the student book and select the chapter. Each chapter opens with a key objective of the unit. At the top of each page, there are key digital features to support and enrich learning. The timer feature allows you to select a specific duration for an activity, making activities fun while keeping students focused on the activity at hand. The pen feature allows you to underline, circle, or annotate the select page to clarify and support learning, while also giving students the opportunity to use the pen to answer key questions during class activities. The highlighter feature allows you to focus and emphasize a specific word, sentence, or numbers to clarify and support learning further. The text box feature allows students to answer a variety of question types to vary the student experience, including multiple choice and word order. Questions will be specifically targeted at helping students practice the key language structure that appears throughout the preceding unit and reinforce key grammatical structures. The personal note feature allows you to write a key note as a reminder when delivering a lesson. The resource feature provides an overview of key audio words from the entire student book and additional practice activities, selecting necessary content throughout the lesson when required. The continuous mode feature allows you to zoom in and out of the page to emphasize a specific area of the page. The navigation feature allows you to click on the thumbnails icon and view the full content of the chapter, selecting appropriate pages as a point of reference during lessons. As you move through the chapter, you will see a headphones icon. As part of the English language learning support that is provided for Maths Primary, each icon is aligned with a section in the textbook which includes a key word or phrase. When the icon is selected, the student can listen to the key word or phrase.
A pair of socks.
The Teachers Resource Centre provides invaluable online resources for each stage. You will be provided with flashcards showing images that help illustrate the key mathematical concepts as covered in the exposition in the student books. You can use the flashcards to support a variety of class games and activities to reinforce students' concept acquisition. The scope and sequence provides an accurate mapping of all components of Maths Primary to the Cambridge International Primary Curriculum. This will help when it comes to short and medium-term planning and getting the most out of the Maths Primary series. Through each stage, there are downloadable and printable skills sheets focusing on problem-solving skills. Each skill sheet will supplement a student book topic. Accompanying teacher notes offer full teacher support for each skills sheet. You will also be provided with word cards showing images of vocabulary and sentence structures drawn from Niall's list of key words. Teachers can use the flashcards to support a variety of class games and activities to reinforce students' language learning.